In today's Machines Visit episode, prepare to be amazed as we explore these incredible heavy machinery production lines running at extraordinary speeds, kicking things off powerfully. Meet the Liebherr LTR 1220, a telescopic crawler crane that merges the strengths of a telescopic boom crane with those of a crawler-based model. The telescopic design enables quicker setup, easier transportation, and flexible boom adjustments. It can extend or retract effortlessly with complete automation, based on the required reach. As a result, it lifts massive weights to impressive heights using its robust telescopic boom and attachments. This crane can even move while carrying a full load on its hook, without requiring any additional support crane. Thanks to its self-assembly feature. It boasts a maximum lifting capacity of 220 tons. The machine can also relocate smoothly with a complete load attached, following its pick-and-carry capability. Additionally, it performs lifting tasks at side angles of up to 4 degrees, even with a narrowed track width for off-road operations. Its outstanding performance and agility remain top-notch due to the reliable crawler tracks. In tight spaces with restricted room, the crawler base width can be adjusted hydraulically. To build any massive crane, raising the boom arm comes first. Typically, counterweight blocks are added to maintain balance on both sides. But Liebherr chose a smarter approach. A Liebherr LTR 1220 telescopic crawler crane, already present for assembly tasks, was utilized by Helling as a live counterweight to lower and raise the huge LR 1600/2 crane instead of standard ballast weights. The 220-ton LTR 1220 effectively balanced the LR 1600, equipped with a 60-meter boom. This method not only worked perfectly but also boosted efficiency and safety considerably. It eliminated the requirement for transporting and managing separate ballast on site. Clearly, machines like these prove highly useful as counterweights during erection procedures. Since we began with a Liebherr-led project, let's shift to another one, this time at freezing altitudes, while constructing Europe's highest skyscraper, the Lochte Tower. 4 Liebherr tower cranes were in constant operation. This 430-meter structure was erected using 4 custom tower cranes designed by Liebherr exclusively for the job. These units needed to elevate loads up to 64 tons to heights nearing 400 meters. Operating at such elevations meant facing temperatures as low as minus 32 degrees Celsius, along with winds exceeding 130 kilometers per hour. To tackle these challenges, Liebherr deployed expert service technicians who inspected, serviced, and guaranteed reliable and secure performance in those harsh conditions. Thank you. Next up is yet another from Liebherr. This is the Liebherr HS 8300 HD, and will highlight some of its impressive capabilities. This equipment excels at handling extreme dynamic loads during dragline or excavation work, all thanks to its superior steel framework and overall engineering. This design not only boosts efficiency but also extends the machine's lifespan significantly. It features a lifting capacity of 130 tons. Manufacturers were also very careful in designing this machine to the point that it actually promises 0 accidents. This is carried out by its assistant system that determines and displays the current position of the center of gravity of the machine. This greatly helps in the constant comparison of the distribution of the ground pressure to the safety limit value specified by the user in real time. It also boasts of its additional energy storage device thanks to the hybrid drive Pactronic. This system transfers the energy stored in the accumulator back into the system, which enhances the handling performance of the crane whenever additional energy is required. Mobile Construction Crane 88 Malawian Kwachas, which is a mobile construction crane made for operations in limited spaces. Thanks to its compact and flexible design, this machine can still give its very best even when it's working in densely populated inner cities. Frequently used as a taxi crane, this also offers a highly adaptable solution. Ideal for short-term hoisting work. It can lift up anything that weighs up to 8,000 kilograms with its boom that reaches up to 45 meters. The jib of the crane uses telescopic rods and cables, and it also has a 3-section folding that helps with very high overhead assembly. Aside from that, the operator also has a 30-meter elevated cab that it works with throughout the operation. Foreign. Now you're about to see clips from the T282 C Ultra Class assembly. The journey starts off at the port of Brisbane, then it continues up to North Queensland where all parts of the machine are collected and assembled. It's also noteworthy that these components are coming from many parts of the world too. The T282 C Ultra Class really lives up to its name, Ultra, because it combines the high horsepower diesel engine with an electric plus AC drive system. Its engine is capable of producing up to 3,650 horsepower. This later on results in an optimized productivity and limited fuel consumption. This machine also has a normal cargo capacity of 400 tons and a gross weight of 600 tons with the highest payload to empty vehicle weight ratio. Thank you, Foreign. Lastly, this is the clip on the dismantling of a large tower crane by the LTM 1110-5.1. This happened at a narrow alleyway in an old town in Switzerland. The LTM 1110-5.1 is ideal for this project since it's known to be an all-rounder with compact dimensions and features, which is best when working in narrow city centers. It also has a telescopic boom that has a height of 60 meters, capable of hauling up to 110 tons. To provide wider support, it also has rear outriggers with 2-stage designs. Since it was made to work on roads worldwide, different driving states are also available. Indeed, a machine for the modern times. That was the end of today's list of heavy equipment assembly lines that operate at insane levels. We would love to know your thoughts, suggestions, and feedback in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.